New Shambhala is available on argento.co.uk and in our stores. We're very happy with the quality of these Shambhala bracelets. The new in, these are a 12mm ball. Each bracelet has 9 disco balls on it, with 2 hematite stoppers. The catches slide like so they can fit most sizes of wrist, from small right up to large. There's a good bit of extension. I'm wearing the 12mm there, so it's a good size range. You just pull it open on the slider and then you pull it to adjust tight. These are made in Bangkok. Each crystal ball has 76 Swarovski crystals, which are hand applied to each ball, and then you have a macrame, again all hand woven macrame from Bangkok, which is very high quality. So we're delighted with these quality. This one is £40. It's available now on argento.co.uk.